In this video lecture, we'll be investigating quadratics. In particular, we are interested in how to factor quadratics. In this particular video, we'll investigate the first case when the first term has a coefficient of 1. We will investigate how to factor by way of example. Consider the trinomial x squared minus 9x plus 20. This visual tool will help us determine the correct factorization. Take a moment and note what each position represents. For the example we're looking at, we are trying to multiply up to 20 and add up to negative 9. Since 20 is a relatively small number, it's possible to list all of the factors here. Notice that as you read across, they multiply up to 20. Which ones add up to 9? In the previous page, we saw that we had a 4 and a 5 which add up to positive 9. Simply switching both signs gives us negative 4 and negative 5 which add up to negative 9. Note that negative 4 times negative 5 also multiplies to positive 20. We use that negative 4 and negative 5 in the following way. Rewrite the original quadratic, replacing the middle term with those two numbers. Once we've written those numbers down, we split it up into two pairs. We then factor each pair separately. We can factor an x out of the first and a negative 5 out of the second. In doing so, we end up with an x minus 4 twice. We can factor again, this time factoring the entire x minus 4 out of the expression. Thus, we end up with the conclusion that x squared minus 9x plus 20 can be factored as x minus 4 times x minus 5. Do FOIL this out and check your answer.